Hey, what's up? It's Philip and welcome back to the channel. I think I have something useful and I want to share this with you, and this is related to this gizmo over here. I'll show you how to activate combine gizmo and how to add a new gizmo from the plugin. I don't know, maybe it will be useful to you. If it is, let me know in the comments below. Let's activate first. Go to edit, editor preferences. Over here I already typed combined, and you can see here enable combined translate and rotate widget. For me, I think this is very useful. As you can see, our gizmo is changed. We have this arrow here, so we can practically select this arrow and rotate while we are moving. So we can rotate, move, rotate and move. We don't need to switch between all these gizmos here. Another thing that we have is plugin. So go to edit, plugins, type in TRS, and over here enable these two gizmos and click restart now. And we need to enable this TRS. So go to edit, go to editor preferences, type in TRS, and you can see this enable new gizmos. If I enable it and go back, and you can see your gizmos over here. We also have this combined gizmo here, which is nice. You can see this rotation, scale and movement and so on. And this is it. If you find it helpful, let me know in the comments below. You can subscribe to check out more videos like this, and see you in some other video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.